Okay, what we're doing is spending a day on our plots. So in this one we pulled out our pak choy and replanted. We got some, looks like some garlic coming up. Eggplant plant is kind of dead. There's all the plants we pulled out. Here's more bok choy that we planted. Our lettuce is pretty much maybe one more crop. Our cilantro, it's a little wilted now because it was super hot. We're harvesting our onions right here. So that's our white onion. We got 4 of them total. Pulled out some of the carrots. Here's one of the carrots that we got. There's some of the lettuce that we harvested and some bok choy. We're gonna be harvesting some of the chili peppers. I think we have one habanero. Yep, right in there. The bell peppers look like they're ready to go. The lettuce that we transplanted here, I think we'll pull, I don't know whether we're gonna take the leaves out or take the whole head. Not really sure. There's our original. So we're harvesting some of the peppers now. I don't know what we're gonna do with these. We'll probably end up giving a lot of them away. This plant is growing like a weed. Peppers seem to grow really well up here. Well, it's time to harvest some of the lettuce. We're just taking some of the leaves off so we can get more next week. This lettuce is the black seeded Simpson, the variety that seems to grow really well up here. Really like this particular species. Right now we have pretty much more lettuce than we can eat, so we'll give it to our friends and neighbors. It's kind of amazing how many peppers grow on such a small plant. There's one small ugly one on the original plant. It's more like a pumpkin. Peppers now. Here's our next set of lettuce that's coming up. There's the bok choy seedlings that we had. There's some daikon. There's some kale coming up. Chinese lettuce there, and another set of kale coming up there. We put down more mulch, which we get from our silver oak tree. And it's looking pretty good. think we're gonna need to make one more plot, but that's our harvest for this Saturday. Thanks for watching, and aloha.